Okay, pardon me. Let's get ready here. We're going to start the hypothesis. Okay, hypothesis. What is the point of multiplying one of the equations when using the elimination method? It's an interesting question. If you look back at this version, this system here, you couldn't just eliminate it until you were able to make one of them basically the opposite of the other. So when we multiply this entire equation by -2, then we're able to eliminate it. So since it's called the elimination method, the point is to make one of the variables something that you can eliminate. So the point is to make one of the variables coefficient the opposite of the coefficient in the other equation, so we can eliminate it. Other. Just to be clear again, right now we have 2y, which is positive, and 4y, which is positive. When we multiply this by -2, it becomes -4y, which makes it possible to eliminate against the positive 4y. And that's why we do it. Okay. Second question. Do you want the coefficients of the variable you are eliminating to be the same or opposites? You want them to be opposites so you can eliminate them by adding the equations together. Does it matter which variable you choose to eliminate? So let's go back to this one here. Does it matter? Could I do x or y? Yeah, you can always eliminate either one. We just chose y because it's easier, because the 2 could multiply into -4 and cancel against the 4. With the 3 and the 5, it would be harder, but it doesn't matter. You can eliminate either one, but you should choose the variable that is easier. And that will take care of that. Would elimination method work for all systems? It's an interesting question. I can predict this, I guess. As long as the systems do have a solution, in other words, that the lines that they form cross, it should work. So it should work as long as there is a solution, but it works best when it is easy to get opposite coefficients on one of the variables. So by opposite coefficients, I mean, well, here we have 2 and 4, so if I see the 4 there, I want to get the -4 there. That would be the opposite coefficient. And it's easy enough to do that by just multiplying this entire equation by -2. So that would be the best, that's the easiest way to do it. If you had something like some weird fraction or decimal that was really hard to work out, then maybe elimination method wouldn't be the best method. It would still work, but it would be difficult. And there you have your hypothesis.